MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
The 2023 Lyriq officially launched the all-electric era of Cadillac. So now 2 years on, it makes sense that Lyriq will be their first EV to get the brand's V-Series high-performance treatment. So let's get rolling for the story behind the Lyriq's charge to becoming the quickest Cadillac ever. This 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V may not look like a performance car, but it is the first Cadillac EV to get the V treatment from Cadillac's performance division. And hot rod utility vehicles are all the rage these days. Still, the Lyriq looks more like a sporty wagon than a pure SUV to us, so our thoughts immediately went back to 2011 CTS-V wagon, which arrived at a time when Cadillac seemed to be focusing on delivering cars more for enthusiasts than just the country club set. With its 556 horsepower supercharged V8, 6-speed manual transmission, and robust exhaust, it felt more like driving a Camaro SS wagon than Grandpa's Caddy. They still look great today, and you'd better bring some big bucks if you're looking for a used one. Cadillac is looking to bring that same level of excitement to their current slate of utility EVs, and this Lyriq V is even sporting a very similar red tin-coat paint job. Here in the modern era, that doesn't mean adding a supercharger, but cranking up the combined output of both of the all-wheel drive Lyriq's motors from 515 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque to 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet once you've engaged Velocity Max Mode. And that accurately describes the trip to our Mason-Dixon test track, where we blasted to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. Yes, that's quicker than the CT5V Blackwing, but the experience here is far different. Cadillac has added some unique V performance sounds pumping through the 23-speaker AKG stereo system inspired by Cadillac Vs of the past. We found them more campy than inspiring, but certainly more entertaining than the usual near silence of most luxury EVs. Final drive ratios have also been shortened in both motors to get you off the line quicker, and there's plenty of grip to make it happen. But power delivery did taper off once we got up to speed instead of building the whole way down the track. Still, we ran the quarter in 11.8 seconds at 112 miles per hour. For improved handling, the V gets recalibrated continuous damping control, a slightly lower suspension, quicker steering ratio, and an added competitive mode for the traction management software. And while it is noticeably more agile than the standard Lyriq, it's still an incredibly heavy vehicle that likes to understeer when pushed hard. Steering is accurate and has some good weight to it, but we wouldn't call the overall experience pure fun, just more capable. Upgraded front Brembo brakes help bring the V to a halt from 60 in just 96 feet with good stability and great consistency. Using the same 102 kilowatt-hour battery as the standard Lyriq, which is rated for as many as 319 miles, the V is rated at just 285. So we plugged a 250-mile road trip into the GPS and upon completion pulled up to the charging station with 18% battery remaining, putting us on pace for about 305 miles. DC fast charging takes the V to 80% in just 40 minutes, and using 42 kilowatt-hour of electricity per 100 miles, the Lyriq V earns a fair efficiency rating. One of our favorite aspects of the Lyriq V is that it doesn't scream high performance from a styling perspective. There are unique front and rear fascias, rocker extensions, red-painted brake calipers, 22-inch wheels with Continental Summer Performance tires, and even an available carbon fiber package, but it's all tastefully done in sleeper style. Adding to the Lyriq's spacious high-tech interior that already included such standouts as the 33-inch LED display, panoramic glass roof, and very comfortable seating, are unique V elements such as a new steering wheel that has a V-mode button and an aluminum regen on-demand paddle plus polished trim and logos. The Lyriq V is available in regular and premium versions, starting at $80,090, which is only about $15,000 over a base all-wheel drive Lyriq. So while the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V didn't exactly blow us away like a V8 muscle car hiding in Cadillac clothing would, it does indeed put the V into Cadillac EVs and is the quickest production Cadillac ever. And we have a feeling they're just getting started and can't wait to drive what's next.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.